To cash out on Cash App without a debit card, you can use alternative methods to access your funds. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Banking tab. Tap on the Cash Out option and select the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Since you do not have a debit card, you will not be able to use the instant transfer option, which typically requires a debit card for verification purposes. Instead, you will have to use the standard transfer option, which can take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Another option is to use the Cash App cardless ATM option. This allows you to withdraw cash from your Cash App account at an ATM without using a card. To do this, navigate to the ATM map on the Cash App and find a participating ATM near you. Once you have found an ATM, select the Get Barcode option and a barcode will be generated that you can use to withdraw cash from the ATM. Take your phone with the barcode to the ATM. Select the cardless withdrawal option and scan the barcode to access your cash. It is essential to note that not all ATMs support the cardless ATM option, and some may charge a fee for the service. Always check the fees associated with the ATM and the Cash App before making a withdrawal. To avoid any issues, ensure that your Cash App account is verified and that you have a valid government-issued ID. Additionally, be aware of the daily and weekly withdrawal limits set by the Cash App and the ATM operator. In conclusion, cashing out on Cash App without a debit card is possible through standard transfers to your bank account or by using the cardless ATM option. Always check the fees and limits associated with each option and ensure that your account is verified to avoid any issues.